you in
आज
Avyakti
है
family.
47
Today is
अव्यक्ति
day 47.
वरदान। अभी हम मोहिनी
Avyakti
दीदी से
blessings.
सुनेंगे।
Now we listen from Mohini Didi.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
जीवन में वरदान का भी अनुभव करना होता है।
We have to experience blessings in our life, and to experience the blessings,
बैठ के करो।
we have to sit in that awareness. While doing actions, you can experience. Experiences are very good, but you feel the power also.
मेरे को बार बार
Today, again and again,
स्मृति मैंने लाई और
I
मनन
had
चिंतन
this
किया।
awareness. I did churning also,
अंदर में हल्कापन,
and in the inside I felt light and power.
क्योंकि अगर हल्के हैं हम हर तरह से,
Because if we are light in every way,
उपराम स्थिति है हमारी,
if we stages
ड्रामा
beyond,
चलता है,
drama is going on,
आते हैं,
many scenes come,
से हर एक अपना पार्ट बजाता है।
many actors are there, everybody plays their part.
अगर कोई भी एक स्मृति ले लें हम,
And if we take even one awareness, any one awareness, so we will feel
ऊपर है और ड्रामा
that we are beyond of everything, and then we are looking at drama as a detached observer.
हमको अच्छा रोल बनाता है।
Because drama makes us unshakable, immovable. Any scene of drama that comes,
ड्रामा ही होता है, क्योंकि
and some things are really like a drama.
साक्षियों के देखते हैं,
If we are become detached observer and see, then in our mind towards anybody we won't have
कारण हुआ क्या हुआ,
any kind of ill feelings like it is because of this one or that one. There is always somebody who will become an instrument of things that happen. But today Baba is speaking about
अमृत वेले की मदद।
may you make your awareness powerful
वह श्रीमत की पालना द्वारा
with the help of Amrit Vela.
वेले की मदद और
May you make your awareness powerful with the help of Amrit Vela and the sustenance of Srimad, and become embodiment of remembrance.
स्वरूप ही फिर स्मृति का हो जाएगा ना।
Then you'll become an embodiment of remembrance.
कुछ होता है,
because of forgetting whatever happens, we have the experience of that. So Baba is saying that there are 24 hours in the time, and every time has its own importance.
महत्व को अगर हम
So
समझें,
understand the importance of the time.
पर जो करना चाहिए वही
Then
करेंगे।
whatever we have to do at that time, we will do that only.
तो बाबा कहते हैं,
So Baba is saying,
अपनी स्मृति को समर्थवान बनाओ।
Baba is saying, make your awareness powerful.
स्वतः ही
So if you want to make your awareness powerful and become an embodiment of remembrance, then
अमृत वेले
understand the value of the time of Amrit Vela.
कई कहते हैं क्या फर्क पड़ता है, कभी भी बैठ।
Some people say, what difference does it make? We'll sit any time and meditate.
तो बाबा कहते हैं नहीं,
Baba says, no.
है ना,
Whatever the Srimad is,
को पहचानो।
in that similar way, recognize the time also.
इतना
So just as you have the Srimad, in the same way, understand time.
साइलेंस होती है।
There is silence. The time is so beautiful. So Baba is saying, just as you have Srimad, in the same way, understand time and move along according to the time. And you will easily be able to attain all attainments and become free from having to work hard.
और मेहनत से छूट जाएंगे। अमृत वेले के महत्व को समझकर
by moving along while understanding the importance of Amrit Vela, by moving along while understanding the importance of Amrit Vela, you will perform every action according to its importance.
उस समय पर विशेष
At that time, there is special silence, and so you can easily make your awareness powerful.
समर्थवान बना सकते हैं। काफी विचार करने की बात है, अनुभव करने की बात है।
The thing that we need to experience, we need to churn that what is the power of remembrance, of becoming an embodiment of remembrance. As Baba says, I am almighty authority, so consider me as your companion. So if we have that awareness, then we experience that. The slogan is, those who become conquerors of Maya, those who become conquerors of Maya by having remembrance and doing altruistic service are constantly victorious.
क्योंकि सेवा में किसी भी तरह की
because in service there are some kind of expectations. Sometimes we have anything that is there. How many came, how much did we do? So some thoughts run.
तो उसमें वो जो बाबा ने कहा ना, ये भी एक सूक्ष्म में कई तरह की
Baba said that sometimes Maya comes during to service.
एक तो खैर मैं और मेरापन होता ही है।
One is I and mine.
कई बार ऐसा होता है किसी आत्मा के प्रति।
Sometimes it happens that towards some soul we have some kind of feelings, bhavna,
थोड़ा expectation,
and in that feelings, so there are some expectations.
तो उसकी निराशा होगी।
So then you are disappointed sometimes.
और जो निराशा होगी तो शक्ति फिर कम हो जाती है ना।
And if you're disappointed, then power also reduces.
वरदान में एक शब्द,
so
और जो
in
बाबा
Baba's blessing, Baba says that recognize the time.
कई कहेंगे दोपहर को भी तो होता है ना।
Some say afternoon time also we can do yoga. We can do yoga anytime in the whole day.
लेकिन अमृत सवेरे इतनी लाइन क्लियर होती है।
But during Amrit Vela the line is clear. Many a times it happens that the body is tired.
बेड में पड़े रहो तो भी
we are in the bed.
अच्छा तो नहीं लगता है ना, ऐसा लगता ही है।
But we don't like it. We feel that thoughts are running that oh we should wake up, we should wake up. So then we wake up.
और जब उठ के बैठ जाते हैं,
and when we sit, wake up and sit down, then time is used in a worthwhile way. We follow Srimad.
तो दिन भर जो कर्म चलता है ना,
then whole day what actions are going on.
तो जो सामर्थ्य मिली समय
So
के अनुसार सिमरती की,
power that you received of becoming like an embodiment of remembrance. So Baba said that every action that we do,
तो उस कर्म में हमको माया जीत तो रहता ही है।
so in that action we are conquerors of Maya, and according to the time that action is also elevated. But I would say do it.
जब भी कोई बात होती है,
anytime if there is anything, what stage I want to create, stay in that.
बातों में अगर हम चले जाते हैं,
if we go in matters or words, then the Father is not there.
हम लोग साकार बाबा के पास कोई बातें लेके जाते थे।
Sometimes somebody used to take some matters to Sakar Baba. So Baba used to like kind of go beyond
जैसे नहीं सुनी
that.
बाबा,
I heard also and I did hear it also.
बस सुनता ही रहे।
Because if Baba will just keep listening,
एक समय ऐसा आया कि हमें पता था कि
and
बाबा
one time came
सुन नहीं रहे हैं,
such that Baba is not listening. We felt,
हमारी दिल खुश करने के लिए कि सुन रहे हैं,
to make our heart happy, we feel that Baba is listening, but he's not listening.
कौन सी बात,
Then we also used to think that which thing, how much should we say to him?
बाबा को बेशक दिलाराम कहते हैं।
They call Baba Dilaram,
तो कोई भी ऐसी बात दिल में
comforter
होती है,
of the hearts. So if anything that happens, write it down.
अगर दिल से निकालनी है तो लिखो बाबा को।
If you want to remove it from your heart, then write it to Baba.
लेकिन अगर इतना मन में सोचेंगे, फिर इतना
But if you
बोलेंगे,
keep thinking in your mind and speak about it,
लिखने से मन हल्का होगा
by
और
writing,
आपको बाबा की
your
तरफ
mind will
से
become
इशारा
light,
जरूर मिलेगा।
and you will definitely
आपको
get
खुद
a
महसूस होगा कि
sign
बाबा
from
कह रहे हैं
Baba.
बच्चे,
You will feel
अच्छा जाने दो ना, अभी
that
पास्ट
Baba
हो
is
गया।
saying, okay,
जैसे
child,
आप
doesn't matter, let it go, it has become past. You will as though hear Baba's sound.
मैं तो ऐसा बहुत अनुभव करती हूँ,
I experienced that
तो
many a
इसलिए
times.
प्रैक्टिकल करो,
So that is
प्रैक्टिस
why
करो, थोड़ा
practice
टेंशन देने से।
and be practical, pay attention,
क्योंकि देखो समय तो अमूल्य है, ये नहीं कि
because
आज
time
दिन
is
से
invaluable.
आज
It's not
कितनी
that
कमाई
today's time will come back. So how much did you earn today?
तो समर्थी शक्ति
So
यही हमारी
to
कमाई
be powerful, this is our
है।
earnings.
यूज करो, हाँ,
So
वरदान को
use the
यूज करके
blessings.
उसको
Use
बढ़ाते
the
जाओ,
blessings
उसकी
and keep
शक्ति
on
को।
increasing it. Keep on increasing the power.
तो जैसे निर्विघ्न
So
सब
become
सहज तरीके से
obstacle free and everything will be done completely and nicely.